Good morning, everyone. Today, in self-management session, we will be learning about Todoist, which will help you in managing your task or organizing your task so that you can achieve your goals, whether it is large or small. So if you see the first template on my screen, which will be helping us how to start with a project on Todoist.com. So this is a small presentation. Now add project, write the name of the project. If it is a passion project, write there, choose color code, and then view your work in list or broad. This will help you to create your learning plans. Moving on next, if you will be adding your first task under your passion project, you can just put add projects and add task, and you can quickly write what are the subcategories under the passion project. This will help. So why we are managing the subcategories? So that the most achievable tasks tend to be more specific and clear, it is actionable and less than an hour long. So what you have done first you have come up with a add your project. You added your project like a passion project if you are doing, then add task to it. So you are adding subtask into the broader heading, that is passion project, and the idea is to be more specific and clear, and your actions are more achievable. Then stay on schedule. If you look at this, you can add the timings of the schedule. Just keep an eye on the template which is shown here, which is just adding timings to your schedule, to your activities. This is make your work smoother if you know what needs to happen when. So you can give a specific date. Suppose in the first session, that is brainstorming ideas on the passion project, and you are giving the deadline, that is the weekend. You are just putting weekend, this weekend, or you can specify the date. So it will put there. So Todoist can auto detect due dates nearly any way you write them. The idea of this is Todoist understand things like if you write today, they will capture today's day, this weekend. If you're mentioning any date, suppose September 15 at 2 a.m., you can quickly write that and it will detect. So this is the idea, that is stay on schedule. Moving on, split big task into subtask. If you look into this, one second, so you can just put under research topic. First your topic was passion project. Under passion project, if you are writing brainstorming, in that brainstorming also you can put subtask. So you are splitting the bigger task into the smaller task. Just keep an eye on the template so that you can understand the idea behind making the subtask, that is splitting your big task into smaller ones. So small tasks are far easier to complete than big ones. So break large goals into manageable to-dos. Now moving on to my next template, which will help you to understand how we break and then do the big task into the small. So the idea behind splitting big task into small task is just to divide tough task into short, easy ones, track all your progress, collapse for calm, and expand to complete. Now organize task into sections. So just look into this carefully. So there is a add section. There is a bar there which you can click and you can add section, and you scroll the activities which you have mentioned above as per the section wise. So under the practice, if you look at it, the test the timing alone and give the presentation to analyze has been dragged and dropped. So just keep an eye how it is done again. I'm just playing once more. There's an add section after add task. Just put a broader section there, and then you can drag and drop the activities which are laid in the presentation subheadings. So this is one, and this is just to keep the idea behind of adding section is to tidy up your long task listed with sections where you can neatly divide your project any way that works for you. So the idea behind of making this organization, that is to complete project in stages, try sections like to do, doing or done, and set a schedule by day, week, whatever you want to add on. So the next slides talk about get things out of your head. So if you look at this, we will quickly try to understand what it does. It is just look at, there is a plus on the top of that is a get your things, the small things which you can add here. Once again, I will play it from the beginning. There is a button here, that's a plus button. What you need to do, that's for your quick things which get out of your head. So it mostly happens. So just plus that and add a quick task to it. Like if you want to call your mom and say tomorrow, and you want to put under the passion project or the presentation in terms of what they are explaining in inbox, and add it. Now what they have done, they have gone to inbox, and inbox there is a option available what you have added. So you can drag it into the particular tab, that is family, which is created by you. So this is just a simple one. You can try a bit like this, and the idea is to make things which are quick to do. So small things which get out of your head. Now plan your future is basically a task where find every task due today, this week, or any week in your today or upcoming views. So if you look at this template, what it says, just keep an eye today, and then you are just reviewing your report. You can, if it is not done, you can put into the another slab, that is tomorrow. And then this is just to plan your future, that's finding every task due today, this week or any week in your today and upcoming views. So if you're not able to complete any specific thing, you can pull it to another date. So that's the idea for plan your future. So this is just a drag and drop to reschedule. So it will help you to reschedule your plans if it is not achievable on that particular date. Now come prioritize your day. It's easy to get lost in your task list when there is a lot of on your plate. So keep your focus with color coded priorities. So I'm just going to tell you how to do the color coding. Just keep an eye on the template, please. So there is a call mom, and once you click on the three dots on the extreme right, there you can find the priority with red, orange and blue, and with that color coding you can give which is higher, which is priority 1, priority 2 and priority 3. So this will help you to manage your work well as per the priority color coding. So this is one idea, and this will help you pick up only a few most must-do tasks each day. Do your hardest task first. Reschedule any task you don't check off. So you can reschedule as well. Now celebrate your accomplishments. Keep an eye. There is a logistic button here. So you can put logistic and then you can add task to it. You can you can just show completed task, and all the completed task will be you will find it on this particular template. So I will just play once again for you. You can send your report also, which I will be showing to you very soon. Then you can add your task, and if you see, there is 3 buttons over there, and where it shows show completed task. If you click show completed task, so whatever is completed will came under this logistics sections. So this is a small Todoist platform where you can celebrate your accomplishment by tracking your success, note the challenges if you have faced something, reward yourself for a job well done. So this is a small presentation on Todoist, and I wish you happy doing. Now you know the basics of Todoist. That means you are ready to take control of work and life. So this is all from my end.